method is slightly different. So if you pay attention the first time, you'll get it. So type 3 over here have an x squared and a number. So here an x squared and a number. Usually they have a negative number. You look it up. They have a negative number. They're also called the difference of two squares. The reason for that is, well, watch this. If I have a box, the side of it, the length of this side is x, and the length of that side is x. X times x is x squared. X squared is a square number. Why? Because the sides, it looks like a box, doesn't it? Why is 9 a square number? Why? Because look, it's 3 boxes times 3 boxes. 3 times 3 is 9, it's a square. Is 3 times 4 a square? 12. It's a rectangle, isn't it? Right, look at all the square numbers. What's that? 1 times 1 is? What is it? 1. What's the next square number? 2 times 2 is? 4. Next one is? 3 times 3 is? That's 9. What's the next one? 4 times 4 is? 16. What's the next one? 5 times 5? 25 is the next square number. Next one? 36. Next one? 49. Next one? 64. Next one? 81. Alright. So you'll notice in these sums, this number is going to be a square number. Alright? So these are actually very simple. To do these sums, remember you have an x squared and a minus number. It's very simple, watch. Factorize x squared and what you get? X by x. And what's 9 was 3 by 3, wasn't it? How do you get a plus in multiplication? Yeah, I'll go plus times a minus, or minus times a plus. Wasn't that easy? Yeah. Right, so next step, x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. Alright, so when it looks like this, x squared and a number, or minus number, this is how you do it. Alright, so it's very easy for me to make up. Give me another square number. 16. 10 times 10, 100 is a square number. Right, so how do you do this one? Factors of x squared are x times x. 100 is 10 times 10, plus and a minus. X plus 10 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 10. X minus 10 is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. That's it. Very easy. Alright, so in this exercise, we'll do another one. So this is question 40. Alright. Now in this one, what we'll do, first of all, watch. Step by step. 4, how do you get 4? 2 by 2. Now we'll look at the x squared. How do you get x squared? X by x. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared, isn't it? How do you get 25? How do we get a minus? Okay, next step. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. What do we do with the 5? What do I do with, how do we get rid of the 2? 2 divided by 2 is? Over here. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. What do we do with the minus 5? Move it across. How do we get rid of the 2? There are my 2 answers. That was easier than I thought. Alright, another one like that. 9x squared minus 16. See, it has an x squared and it has a minus square number. First of all, with the 9, how do we get 9? How do we get x squared? How do we get a 16? Minus. Next line is 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 4. Divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 4. Divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. It's not difficult. Right. Type 3, or the difference of, see, that's a square number, that's a square number. Minus means the difference. So it's a difference of two square numbers. Square number, square number. X squared is a square number. So that's called the difference of two squares. Or type 3. Okay? Brilliant.